Who's the most important player on a football team?
Quarterback.
Quarterback. I'm hearing quarterback a lot. I heard multiple quarterbacks. Why didn't anybody say place kicker? I think it's a place kicker. The guy after the touchdown is scored that gets the one extra point. How come everybody said quarterback? I'm confused because I'm in sales. And you guys are in sales too, so you should be confused. Why? Because salespeople believe that the person that kicks the extra point after all the work is done is the most valuable player on the football team. It's not Mahomes, it's McKicker. Why? Because that's how y'all act. Not you guys on Easton University, but everybody else. It has been, you know how they have at the construction sites, it's been 375 days since a work-related accident. It has been 41 days since I, somebody that puts my mobile number out there on social media, have received a cold call from one of you guys out there in the sales world. Yet, I get 187 emails, right? How is it that we believe that the quarterback, the person that starts the play, where everything starts from, is the most valuable, yet at the same time, when it comes to the quarterback of our career, the thing that starts the play, the thing that's the most valuable, first contact, we put a place kicker in to do that job with an email. I just sent him an email. I got 4 of them today. 3 of the 4 were, I'm just bumping this up to the top to see if you got my other email, because we can add 4,000 students to Easton University. Right? If you really can add 4,000 students to Easton University, why the hell aren't you picking up the phone and calling me? Hey Matt, it's Tommy with Tommy's Marketing. Wanted to reach out to you personally. Huge fan of your TikTok channel. Got an idea I would love to talk to you about regarding adding students to your Easton University. Instead, y'all send a punter in to do that job and wonder, why can't I sell anything? Sorry, I'm getting emotional here. But it's the simple little things that if we change, you make $1 million. It really is that simple. You guys put all your effort into closing a deal, into overcoming objections. But you don't even have a quarterback on your team because you haven't made a damn cold call in the last 6 months. And you wonder why you're not selling anything. Not you guys. Those guys. The ones out there not on Easton University. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're gonna see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.